Custom-made Jupiter 2 Fusion Core lighting, programmable lighting. I got these on from eBay from an excellent seller who did a great job making these. You could program the programs, the speed, the direction, the brightness. Right now this is just a test run. I just got this installed. I just got them today. This is my favorite one because it replicates the Jupiter 2 with the two lights going in the next paradigm kind of. Then we got the top dome light. Yeah, this camera doesn't get the lights good. Let me try it with the lights off. Well, this camera is not good for night. But I'm just getting an idea here. Here it is with another light I have, programmable. I got these from Bulgaria in the front. They're programmable too. You could program the patterns and the speed. I guess I'll have to get a home camera and see how I can get better quality here. But this is just giving me an idea. So that's two, and I'm going to put the third lights I have on. Here's the third lighting I have on. Strobe light, red, blue, green. I'm not sure if it clashes with it. Colored lights against the white lights, but it's really, really, really bright. And it looks really good up in the air. It's been snowing, so I can't fly it, and it's too windy. As soon as I can, I'll get an outdoor video. I'll also go through different lighting programs that are on here. Like I said, when I get better quality camera. But this is the first official test run of this new lighting system. I've got the KK2.0 Flight Controller with version 1.6 firmware. I've got 750 kV motors with 10-inch props on there, and SimonK flashed ESCs.